Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
To create a new room, we click on Room Planning, and here we are. We have two types of rooms. We have this rectangular room and we have the free room shape. For the rectangular room, you just enter the length, the width, and the height. This is the default settings. Let's make it 5, for example, here by 4, and the height is 3 meters. The wall thickness does not matter in this case, but let's make it 0.1, and then we choose the space, the utilization of the space. Let's say it's an office. By the way, we are using the let's go here to File. We are using the European standards. No, the USA. Let's go back to the European standards because we're going to work on an office. Let's go now to offices, and then the type of the office. Let's go to CAD workplaces, and OK. This is our office. We are now in 2D here. Let's go to 3D by pressing on this cube. Here is our empty office. We have the possibility, let's go to File and Close. We have the possibility to create another type of rooms, this free shape room. So let's click on it. And now it just asks us to mention the height. So the height here again is 3 meters. The wall thickness is 1 meter. The application is the same. We can change it as well if we want to. So let's go inside. Okay. When here to draw our room, just do it like simply manually. For example, we click on this point. I mean, you can choose any point you want, but it's always good to start by the origin. So we go 4 meters. Well, we said 5 by 4. 5 here. Go up 4 meters. Like this. We go back here to the left for 5 meters. And then we right click and we close the polygon. And here is our room. It's exactly the same as the one we've drawn. But we can, let's go back, File, Close. No, I don't want to save this. Go back to Room Planning. Let's stay in this free room shape. Okay. Now, if the room, if the shape of the room is a bit complex, we need to know how to draw it. So let's start. For example, we have here, I don't know, like a small value, like a very precise value that we cannot find by moving our mouse. So the thing is, we press on tab and then we can write the value. Let's say, for example, 5.22. Enter. We can also change the inclination of our line. Let's press tab again. 5, we need it to be, for example, 12 degrees. And then from this point, we want 2.2 meters. And the degree should be on there. It should be like, I don't know, 120 degrees. And to this side, we want let's make it small, 3.25, for example. And the degree should be 130. Then we need to go straight like this for a distance of 5 meters. And the angle should, I want it to be straight like this, so it's going to be 122. I click, and then I click here, and then I right click. And here is my new room. The key to free shape rooms is the tab button in your keyboard. So remember this very well.
Great job. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.